Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Northern Huron County, Ottawa County, Sandusky County, Northern Seneca County until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to show a cluster of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located near Port Clinton and moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Fremont, Clyde, Sandusky, Norwalk, Kelly's Island. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seneca.